Do this for a healthier diet. Want to transform your health with just a few simple changes? Here are 5 tips for a healthy diet. Discover how small adjustments can lead to big improvements in your well-being. Eating more whole foods over processed ones delivers numerous benefits. Whole foods provide essential nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants, promoting overall health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining good health. Water aids digestion, regulates body temperature, and supports vital bodily functions, making it essential to drink enough water daily. Balancing your macronutrients is key to a healthy diet. Ensure you consume the right proportions of proteins, fats, and carbohydrates to fuel your body and maintain energy levels. To make grocery shopping easier, focus on whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Stick to the outer aisles of the store where fresh items are usually located. Planning meals ahead of time can save you stress and help you maintain a healthy diet. Create a weekly menu and prepare ingredients in advance to make cooking quick and easy. Healthy snacks can keep your energy levels stable throughout the day. Opt for options like nuts, fruits, yogurt, and vegetables with hummus to avoid reaching for unhealthy choices. A nutritious breakfast sets the tone for the day. Choose balanced options like oatmeal, eggs, or smoothies to kickstart your metabolism and provide sustained energy. Practicing mindful eating can help you enjoy your food more and prevent overeating. Pay attention to your hunger cues, eat slowly, and savor each bite to stay in tune with your body. When grocery shopping, choose fresh produce, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid aisles with processed foods and sugary snacks. Reading labels helps you avoid hidden sugars and unhealthy additives. Planning meals ahead saves time and ensures balanced nutrition. Preparing a weekly menu prevents impulsive, unhealthy choices. Batch cooking and meal prepping can make sticking to a healthy diet easier. Opt for nuts, fruits, and yogurt for healthy snacks. They provide essential nutrients and sustained energy. Avoid snacks high in sugar and unhealthy fats to maintain consistent energy levels. A nutritious breakfast kickstarts your metabolism and fuels your day. Include protein, healthy fats, and whole grains. Skipping breakfast can lead to overeating later and reduced energy levels. Practice mindful eating by savoring each bite and listening to your body's hunger cues. Avoid distractions like TV or phones during meals. This helps prevent overeating and promotes better digestion. Start each day with a balanced breakfast to kickstart your metabolism. Eating nutritious foods in the morning fuels your body, stabilizes blood sugar, and enhances focus and productivity throughout the day. Practicing mindful eating helps you savor every bite and recognize hunger cues. This approach prevents overeating and fosters a healthier relationship with food, leading to better digestion and satisfaction. Embark on your healthy diet journey with confidence. Small, consistent changes can make a significant impact. Believe in your ability to transform your habits and improve your overall well-being. Share your favorite healthy diet tips with others. Your experiences and ideas can inspire someone else to make positive changes, creating a supportive community focused on better health. Thank you for joining us on this journey to better health. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical tips and inspiration for maintaining a healthy lifestyle.